Hi guys, in this video I discuss about Tic Tac Toe logic and how to implement this program in Python. See, if you want this program, I'll put this program in description box link. You can click on it, you can access that link. Okay. See, if you want this program in Google, you won't get anywhere. This is personally I designed my own way. Check in Google, ChatGPT, Google Bot, on any other chatbots, you won't get it. I have done it my own. As I said, right? You want this program, I'll put this program link in description box. You can access it. And this is a program. I'll show you how you will get this interface also output. It's very easy to understand this. It is similar to the game which you played. What is tic-tac-toe? First of all, this is the game you see. You may think that tic-tac-toe is some ways, what is this? Some other difficulty. It's a game normally. So I'm placing your X here. See how simple it is. I won the game. Okay. Next. Let's see. You can understand easily. Draw. There are only two possibilities. One is win or draw. Okay, let us check our. Yes, that person won. Let us play another game. See, it is very interesting if you play. See, draw. Okay. Likewise, this code also will work similar to that. See, tic-tac-toe is a game. See, if this code should be implemented means then it is one for lines of code. This cannot be implemented at stretch. It's to only 5 minutes of video. This I cannot implement and show. I've done this implementation previously, so I am showing this code. If you want, you can copy it. You can take a snapshot. Okay. Better I have kept this program in Google Drive. Okay. Now I'll show the output. How this output it will be. See. You must know the logic here. See, T1, T2, T3, M1, M2, M3, D1, D2, D3 are the positions. See, player 1 want to enter which position? Yes, choosing it. I want to enter at M2. That position goes to X. Next, player 2. Player 2 want to enter some which position? That's D3. D3. C. So player 1 want to enter which position? D2. So player 2 want to enter which position? M3. So I'm showing the winning condition of player 1 at T2. Player 1. Now player 1 won the game. See, same thing. This game also showing same result. I think you like this the game. See, this implementation is very difficult at a time. If I want to show this implementation is very difficult, so I have done this implementation previously. So I'm showing this out how I have done this. I think you must aware the logic. See, their logic is simple. I'll tell you now logic. See, diagonally, if a person is putting x, then he must win. Diagonally, this diagonal, vertical, here, horizontal. So play like that, you will come to know the winning and losing and draw conditions of the TikTok. Think you understand the logic? Let us go to code. This is a coder. You type this code in your compiler also. See what it will get output. similar to which I get out. Okay, it's the code. You want see? I'm telling you once again. If you search this code in Google, you won't get anywhere. Yes, really. Want this code? I'll put on link. In that link, it is Google Drive link. In that, the code will be available. Okay, if you like this code and video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.